So this is the extended battery for the BG70 high capacity battery grip for the RS4 Pro is what I'm using it for. And there's a number of reasons why I got this, and I'll get into them later on. But first of all, let's unbox this. So it comes with the instructions here. You open that up and then you're greeted with this really large sized battery. The main reason to get this is just when you're powering multiple things with your gimbal, say you're powering your camera, the LiDAR unit, the focus units, all of that can start to really suck up the juice. And if you're doing a whole day of shooting, you'll need a longer battery. Now this lasts so much longer than the standard battery. It's actually quite astounding. And another really great thing about it is because you've got more real estate now, you can hold it with two hands, or you've got more options of where you hold it. Whereas the standard one that comes with it, you're kind of fixed in this position. So if you have bigger hands, you might struggle with a smaller battery, but this, more places to hold, more space if you want to spread your fingers out, a slight more length in your reach, and it's also compatible with the same mounts on the bottom here as the original battery. So definitely worth considering if you want to extend your battery life.